Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to fix Zoom not working on a Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. First of all, try to update your Chromebook to the latest version of Chrome OS. For that, click on App Launcher icon, open Settings, here click on About Chrome OS and click on Check for Updates and install the latest version of Chrome OS. After that, simply restart your device. For that, click on Clock, Wi-Fi and Battery icon, click on Power button, then click on Restart. Now try to use the Zoom application. For that, click on App Launcher and open Zoom application, and it should fix the issue. However, if you are still facing the issue, then you can simply click on three-dot icon, then click on App Info, and here simply enable all the required permission to use the Zoom application. Sometimes cookies and site data can also cause the issue. To fix it, simply click on Cookies and Site Data, click on Manage On-Device Site Data and delete all the on-device site data by clicking on this Delete button. Then click on Done. Now simply click on Reload to reopen the application. Then sign in with your Zoom account and it should fix the issue. There is also another method. If app itself is causing the issue, then you can simply uninstall the application, open New Apps and Games application, here search for Zoom, select it from the search result and simply select the installation option. You can install it from web or else you can also install it from Google Play Store. Simply select your option, then click on Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, simply click on Open Apps or else you can simply open the apps from the App Launcher. Sign in with your account and you are ready to use it. So that's it. These are the methods you can try out to fix Zoom not working issue on a Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.